everyone, thanks so much for joining me. Susan Timchak here, coming to you from Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, and I am here to do, I have quite a few unboxings. I know I've been MIA again. I just, well, you know how it is. Life happens. So, I'm a little backed up on some of my unboxings. So, I wanted to start off with this one first. This one came yesterday. This one is from Creative Notions, and thank you so much, Vicki and the gang, for sending me this subscription package. Look at the beautiful bag that it came in, and spring tulips just make me want to scream spring. Thank you, thank you. So let's go ahead and get this opened. And like I said, I'm going to hopefully get some videos done today. The weather here in Pennsylvania this weekend is going to be crapola with a capital C. So I had to get some housework done. I had to get some yard work done. I, haven't been feeling my best lately. So it's, what time is it now? It's 1:15 on a Saturday afternoon, and I am up in my craft room. I move things around a little bit, so you know how that is. I'll never be able to find anything. But it's time for me now. So let's open this up and make sure I didn't forget anything in there. And okay, let's see what we have here. You are my cup of tea. I wonder if that's any indication as to what may be inside. I love this drawstring bag. I'm already thinking I could either do my stamping on here, or I could do chalk couture, would be fabulous on here. So, yeah, I'm going to repurpose this bag. Love the drawstring bag. The packaging, you guys, you do such a great job. All right, let's see what we have inside. Look at the size of that bag. That's really nice. Love that. I could use this for a pattern and make my own, with my material that I got maybe, huh? All right, let's see what we have. Oh, we have this cute little teacup. How sweet is that? It has a little sticky on the back, so I'm sure they had it stuck here. And look at these little gems coming up. I think this is super cute. And if you look inside there, can you see that? It's a sewing machine. That's super cute. I'm going to go ahead and stick that on my wall that's in front of me. I think that would be super fun. But for now, let me stick that over there on my little shelf. And look at this. We have this cute little packaging. And look, a little matching drawstring bag. How sweet is that? Oh, my little teacup fell over. Let me just put it there. Let's see what's inside here. And then we'll get to the goodness there. Okay, so we have a spool of Sew Complete for sewing and quilting, 300 yards, 100% polyester. And this is, actually it matches the bag, so it's like a off-white kind of a muslin color. Does it say what color on it? Nope, but that's what color it is, not a white. And let's see what else we have in here. Ooh, we have some little Brock's treats. Ooh, yummy. Those aren't even getting put away. Those are going right over there because I'm probably going to enjoy them as soon as I'm done with this video. And oh my goodness, look at this. A little teacup. How stinking cute is that? You know, you guys are the best. This is a whole tea theme. And I have a feeling that the fabric is going to be tea related too. Like, kind of like tea party. So I may be wrong, but who knows. So this little charm, it goes on either a bracelet or a pin that you get once you subscribe to 6 months of their subscription box. So this is made by, it's a collectible charm. We also make custom pin charms and more at pinpeddlers.com. So be sure to check them out and see if you're a charm collector or you just want to get some charms for whatever reason. Check out, see what they have. Ooh, look at these. Bowen, now excuse me if I say any of this wrong, France. They are so super shiny. These are sharps with a big eye, and thank you. I appreciate that. I'm not as young as I think I am. And look at those. Are they not stunning? Look at the shine on them. And I love the big eyes on them because my eyes are little and they don't see very well these days. But these are wonderful. Thank you so much. And all in this little bag. How super cute. Like I said, the candy's not going back in there because that's going to be consumed. You know, you don't want to leave any candy around to get, you know, hard and old. And look at this beautiful piece of wrapping around here. Now this can be repurposed, of course. It's a nice length too, so we don't throw anything away. Any of you that are crafters and sewers or anything. Oh, and of course, we have a Stash Meyer Lemon caffeine-free citron Meyer Sanskrit, whatever that language that is. I'm not sure. It's this herbal tea, and it goes along with the packaging. And oh my goodness, look at this, an Alpha Rotary blade replacement. Oh, I so am going to need one of those very soon. I so appreciate that. What a great little giveaway there. Thank you so much. And I love my rotary cutters. I have multiple ones of them. Not because I needed multiple, just because it was like, okay, now where did I put that? I'm out shopping. I didn't remember. Go buy another one. So, oh, let's see what else we have in here on the bottom. Then we'll go through the fabric. Got a little string. Come, let us have a cup of tea and talk about happy things. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, I love that. And in here, it's going to tell you all of your notions and your subscription box featuring Poppy Cotton, Prairie Sisters. The box value comes to $48.60. So you have 8 fat quarters at $3 each. Pin Peddler's Teacup Charm is $5.25. Very reasonable, by the way. Big Eye needles are $3. The rotary blade is $9.35. So that is a super great thing. The thread is $2, and there's a quilt pattern that's $5. So share with your quilting friends and earn free boxes. Follow us on social media for updates and giveaways. Post your finished projects made from the subscription boxes to receive a fat quarter bundle each month. Tag Creative Notions Quilt Shop. Watch our YouTube channel for tutorials. And I have a feeling my dog's going to be barking because I hear her down there woofing. There we go, right on cue. Finished kits available on Creative Notions Quilt Shop.com, I'm assuming. Kind of got cut off on there. With 20% off for subscribers. And there's for their YouTube channel, one of those little code things. So, yeah, love that. Let's see. This is a fat quarter let me do that again. Wildflower Farm, a fat quarter friendly pattern made exclusive for subscribers of the Quilt Notion subscription box. So you can't get this anywhere other than being a subscriber. So isn't that fabulous? Okay, and I know there's an easy way to open the bag here. I mean, sometimes... Okay, here it is. I don't know how it is you open it, but, oh, there it is. I see it. Like I said, my eyes are old. Just not seeing like they used to. Let's see what we got. And there, of course, is D-O-R-Y. If I say her name, she'll jump up here. And look at that beautiful quilt on there. And inside, oh, very nice, quick directions. This is a very, it looks pretty easy. I mean, I'm brand new at quilting, but it looks fairly easy. And on the back here, it tells you all the extra materials that you'll need to complete your quilt. And you can get the other needed supplies from Creative Notions. And look at their little icon there, Creative Notions, making memories one stitch at a time. Isn't that super cute? I love those little vintage Shasta trailers. Okay, let's check out the fabric. Oh, look at this. See, I have a feeling it was Tea Party related type fabric. So let's lay it out here for you. Look at that. Almost reminds me of a soccer ball kind of when you look at it quickly. And here's another one with all kind of words on it. I can't really read that, but whatever it says, it goes beautifully with the sage color. Oh, look at this. I love those flowers on there. And I don't even know what kind of flowers they are, but they are beautiful. Oh, let me bring this down a little bit so you can see it all. And oh my goodness, look at Little chickens. All different kinds of little chickens. Oh, look at how beautiful the colors go together. I mean, I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I always have an issue with color. So seeing these colors together is almost thinking of some of the colors that Stampin' Up! Has. And look at these with all the little circles intertwined. Isn't that beautiful? And I love this. This is almost picking up the same color as the one with the writing on it. Oh, this has to be my favorite. Oh, maybe the next one. Look at this with the wildflowers on here. Isn't that stinking beautiful? And of course, my favorite flower is the sunflower. So speaking of that, look, they even knew that my favorite was the sunflower. So look at this one. Can you see the print of the sunflowers on there? Oh, you know, you guys, you really outdid yourself with all of the goodies for this month. Really, if you're not taking advantage of this subscription box/bag, I mean, what are you waiting for? Go ahead on over and join the girls over at creativenotionsquiltshop.com. Here's their link right there. And take a chance. Subscribe. Look at all the beautiful things that they send, the beautiful fabrics. I mean, you can't find these fabrics in a local store like, you know, the one with the J. I mean, that's really the only one we have around here in my area. And, you know, they don't have the nice quality of this fabric. And you girls just do, you just do a fantastic job. And what a great surprise it is to come home at the end of a Friday, after the end of a long, long week, and to have this bag in your mailbox waiting for you. So again, thank you so much, girls. You did such a fabulous job, and I hope those of you watching will take advantage of this great subscription bag. It's a great value, and you get a lot of great fabrics. So I can't wait to get my machine out, and, well, we'll just have to see what I come up with. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate you all coming and taking time out of your busy day to watch me. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell where you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks so much for joining me again, and have a super stampin' day and a super sewing day. All right, everyone. Bye for now.